Guys, Prosper FX here, and I'm back with another one. So yeah, guys, this one here is for everyone who's a firm believer in price action. Someone who really appreciates supports and resistance. Just using clean charts analysis, using your lines. Just charting it down, being technical with it. So let me show you an easy approach on your mobile device. So let's get to it. So yeah, guys, first thing you want to do, of course, if you're using your phone, is put your phone in landscape position, guys. Put it in landscape position. I know it'll look silly. It'll look like you're playing a game to someone looking from the back, or from in front of you. So yeah, guys, just put your phone in landscape and set. If you have indicators, I'd say delete them because they kind of squeeze your screen and they make it less you know less easy for you to plot down your lines, your horizontal lines, because that's what we're gonna be using, guys. So without further ado, what you want to do is zoom out as much as you can. So as soon as you zoom out, oh, use an H4, use H4, guys. Use your H4 time frame. Yep. Zoom out and just look at the general trend. Just have an idea of what's going on. If you're using a EMA, yeah, don't use a bunch, maybe just one. If you're using one as a trend filter, yeah, then you can do this. Use 200 or 100. Those are the ones I really recommend. 50, you can use that, but it's more efficient on 1 hour. And then everything else, I just don't use your 20s, your 10s, or I don't even think about those. So yeah, guys, once you have a general trend, I don't know why people like to use EMAs when you can clearly see that this is like an uptrend in general. The overall of the trend is going up. So it wouldn't be a smart idea to be selling. You could make profit selling, but it wouldn't be ideal. You're gonna grow for that profit. So you wanna go with the trend, guys. You wanna go with the trend when you're taking your positions. But since we're just charting, we're gonna start off here, guys. Zoom in a little bit, and then yeah, you bring out your horizontal lines. Bring out your horizontal lines. Mark all the obvious ones, guys. All the obvious ones. There you go. Boom. I'm just gonna make this a little bit big so you can all see that. Okay. Boom. Another one. Where's another one, guys? Right here. Yep, I would consider this. I would consider that. Yep. Another one. Yes, of course, this one here. Yes, I will use more or less. Remember, guys, there is no accuracy or 100% technique to draw. As long as it's close enough. If I'm drawing this, I know someone else has drawn it on his charts. The only way to confirm that is if you see a couple of bounces previous, lately, and before. There was a bounce here. There was a bounce here. It really respected the line. Over here it did, even though I just pushed it a little bit more. Yeah, guys. That's how you know that your lines have been respected in the past. Uh, and then right here, see, look at that. It respected that. Eventually, you're supposed to break out, and it has. In fact, it has. That's dude. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It tried to play with us. It broke out. It tried to play with us, and it faked. It trapped quite a lot of traders here. These guys were trapped, and it pushed it up. It hit some stops, and it's up. You see, this is a perfect entry for a buy, you know, and just let it go. Let it go. Put a buy here. Put your stop here, or you can put it right here, and then you can trail. I like to trail, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I like to trail. I like to trade by about 25 to 30 pips, and then just let it go, let it go, let it go. Then stress free. I'm done. So yeah, guys, look at that. Nice, easy method. Don't be doing all these things now. You start confusing yourself. And what I'd say, guys, there's this technique I've seen where people mix horizontal lines with trend lines. Guys, that really doesn't work anymore. It'll confuse you. It'll confuse you most of the time. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Try to forget about. Try not to do that. When you're mixing your trend lines with your with your horizontal lines, know your pairs of guys. Know which one works best with trend lines, which one works best with horizontal lines. You see, you don't want to be. Look at this. This is a nice trend line, guys. This is a nice trend line. But I want to show you something. Look, you see, it would have played some games with us. Look at this. It faked out quite a number of traders. Look at this. Over here, you see a breakout to the downside. Then it confirms with a retest. And then you put your sells, you stack up, and you expect it to go here. Boom, psych, we're going back up. So you see, guys, some currency pairs they don't work best with trend lines. I prefer horizontal lines quite a lot. Supply and resistance, support and resistance, guys, is key. Your supply and demand is just off the chase, guys. It's just, it's key. So you see, if you draw it right, yeah, you could have. If you drawn it like that, you could have made it maybe. But look at that, guys. I don't really like it. I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan of using this in conjunction. I'd rather have one and just keep it simple. Keep my trading simple as possible, guys. I just know I wait for a break on resistance, or a break at supports, or a bounce at supports, or bounce at resistance. Since it's an uptrend, I'll be looking towards a bounce at supports and a break at resistance. I'm not looking to sell at resistance. I'm looking to wait for it patiently to bounce and break off the resistance and just go with it. So I really no. I don't say these don't work. These work. I also use this, but for certain charts, not all charts. So yeah, guys. Basically, that was it, dude. I'm sorry, guys. I don't have anything fancy to show you here. It is what it is. I have to show you the truth. I'm not these guys on YouTube who try to bring up all these fancy schmancy things like, oh, use this indicator with this 100%, 90%. No, guys. This is what you need. This will work. Keep it simple. You know. Keep it simple, guys. Please. Why? What, do you want to lose? Do you want to make, or do you want to lose? I don't understand. Who said you're gonna make by, by using 10 indicators? No, guys, that don't work. It doesn't work anymore, guys. So yeah, can you see that? Yeah, guys. It's just keep it simple, guys. Keep it simple. Uh, let's go to the. Oh, let me show you some entries, some good entries. In the previous video, I told you something about having a similar bottom, you know, having equal bottoms, guys. If you have equal bottoms at your supports in an uptrend, if you don't buy, you don't want money basically. You should buy, guys. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at the bottoms of the two candles. For this one here, it was a bottom. Yeah, look at the bottoms. No, despite the wick, don't look at the wick. Look at the bottoms themselves. Can you see that, guys? Let me zoom in some more. Look at this. You see? Right here. Then your entry would be here. That's your entry right there. Your stop would be somewhere here. So stop, entry, and then you take it up, take it up, take it up. Trailing stop, manually over here, manually over here. Then I don't think, maybe manually over here. That stops you out. Then another entry over here. There's it here. There's it. There's the key here. Maybe you would have got stopped out here. Yeah, stop out. Boom, stop the house. If you noticed the stop bounce early, you could have came in again to reclaim yourself. It would taken you out. You're trailing, right? So stop loss here, stop loss here. Boom, it took you out in profit. Then same method again. The bottoms, look at the bottoms, and it's right exactly on your horizontal line. You enter here, goes with a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Plays around, plays around. The stop is over here. Remember, it plays around, then it goes. Uh, oh, it eventually hits your TP right there. You see, guys. So yeah, guys, that's basically it, guys. And I just use one time frame. I don't want to complicate things by going through all these time frames. I don't really do that, guys. I don't really. I'm not gonna lie, cause look at this. Sometimes you'd see that you'd assume that this is a breakout, but at H4, this is only your week. This is a breakout. Look at that. You say, oh yeah, buy, buy, buy. Then this does all of this crap. Look at this. This is an only valid setup here. So guys, please, uh, try to avoid that. I know I'm going against every single trader on YouTube. I'm possibly might get some heat for this, but I don't really switch time frames like that. I always just keep the H4 as the H4 and just focus on just one time frame, guys. One time frame, one chart. That's all I do. You know, one time frame, one chart. So yeah, it's the same like it's basically the same thing that Merc does, Mercedes Benz does with their cars. One engine, one man. You see, so you want to keep things simple, guys. Don't be putting a lot trying to involve all this, that, and that. So yeah, guys. Basically, this video's been long done because it's basically just me taking a trade right now and to the upside, and then I just put my stop over here, buy here, stop here, and then I just let it go. So yeah, guys, Prosper FX here, and yeah, until the next one.